Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to talk about that how can we add data into our list. So to add data into our list we have two methods. First called append method and the second we have insert method. So these two methods are used to add data into our list. So first let's talk about append method. So to understand append method, I am going to create a list called fruit and there are some name of the fruits in list called mango, orange and we have banana. Alright, there are three elements in the list and then we are going to add fourth by using append method. So we can use fruit dot append and then the name is mango. So as I print our list again, as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here mango add at the last of our list. Sorry, mango is already in the list, so I can change into suppose grapes. Alright, you can see grapes add at the last of the list. By using append method, we can add our data at the last of the list only. So how can we determine that in which index our data should be added? So for this we can use insert method. So if I comment this and then for the same list I can use fruit dot insert. So by using insert method I can put the index. Suppose I want that after mango at one index instead of orange grapes will print. So I can use grapes. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see instead of orange grapes at one index will appear and then after orange and then banana. So these two methods are widely used in programming to add data into our list. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.